Don't wander away from your parents at the airport.
Huh?
It's too heavy. Put only the essentials in your suitcase. You can't take a lot of liquid on the plane. Do not damage the property of the airport and other passengers. Please, do not make noise or disturb other passengers. You can't run on the plane. You can't jump on a plane. Dear passengers, we're flying through turbulence. Fasten your seat belts. Ask your parents to help you buckle up. Please, do not disturb other passengers during the flight. Dear passengers, our plane has landed.
Oh, you can't go inside.
You need to put your suitcases down carefully. No sharp objects in your luggage. You can't take scissors on a plane. Great, now there are no sharp objects. This is overweight. Your suitcase is too heavy. Large bottles of liquid are also prohibited. Now you know the rules and can help me. Billy, you mustn't get on the baggage carousel. Don't run away from us. It's easy to get lost here.
Here, you've taken too much stuff.
Kids, don't cry. I'll take you to your parents.
Billy, Willie?
Ah! If lost, ask a police officer or flight attendant for help. No, wait!
This is important to wait in line.
Oh no, there are a lot of germs on dirty hands. Always wash your hands before eating. Oh no, the baby can get sick without a hat. When it's cold outside, dress warmly. Oh no, the baby didn't get enough sleep. Always go to bed on time. Oh no, the baby has a toothache. Do not eat too much candy. Take care of your teeth. Maybe got overheated in the sun. In the summer, protect yourself from the sun. No one wants to be friends with a stinky. Observe hygiene and take a bath every day.
Uh-oh, someone overslept. Oops, watch out. Cool gymnastics, Bunny.
Actually, you can't be late for the bus. I'm sorry.
Whoa, not so fast, Scoo.
Phew, I did it. Right on time.
But you hurt others.
No running on the bus.
Come on, Bunny, buckle up. Uni isn't happy with rule breakers. At least Kitty's on time. What's that smell?
Smells like food.
I don't think so.
Yum, yum.
Someone didn't have breakfast.
Ugh, healthy food.
No, don't throw it outside. Yikes, salad slide. Kitty's too busy munching.
No food on the bus.
Whoa, down in one. Pico, your hair. Uh-oh, girls, that's not safe.
Hi, everyone.
Hey!
On the bus, everyone should sit in their place.
Don't forget to fasten your seatbelts. You've got it, Uni. Looks like Kitty's getting bored.
No toys! Ugh!
Scoo's been slimed.
Woohoo! Slime battle!
Girls, you gotta sit down when the bus is moving. Oh no, Uni's been slime slapped.
Stop it!
Girls, watch out! Buckling up saves you from bumps.
Girls, you all should learn the rules. Look, school bus is coming. Don't be late. Look, school bus is coming. Try not to be late. Make sure you don't lead her. No. Let the bus go on. Let the wheels go round and round. Bus rules are important. We all need to follow them. To be safe and sound. Bus rules are important. We all need to follow them. To be safe and sound. When you are on the school bus, keep the aisle very clear. La 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 la. Keep the aisle very clear. When you are on the school bus, don't be loud. Let the bus go on. Let the wheels go round and round. Bus rules are important. We all need to follow them. To be safe and sound. Bus rules are important. We all need to follow them. To be safe and sound. We're so sorry. We fixed everything. Wow! It's spotlessly clean.
Bus rules keep us safe. Goo, are you missing anything?
And the last rule. Don't forget things on the bus. Huh?
Hooray for Bus Monitor Uni!
Huh? I look like a princess. Time to get ready for school. Teeth. Hair. Clothes. Ta-da! I'm ready. Time to go to school. Huh? Hey! Huh? Oh. Huh? Wow! It's so cool! Hank! Ew! What? What's wrong? Huh? Uni doesn't like me! I can help you. Really? Yes. Let's meet after school. And here's my room. Okay. I'll teach you how to take care of yourself. But first, show me how you do it. I get it. Let me teach you. Brush your hair so it is always nice and clean. Oh yeah. Brush your hair so it is always nice and soft. Oh yeah. Take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Wear clean clothes, clean socks, and you are ready to go. Brush your teeth so they are always nice and clean. Oh yeah. Brush your teeth so they are always nice and clean. Oh yeah. Take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Wear clean clothes, clean socks, and you are ready to go. Oh yeah. Huh? Ah.